1. Suzuki Hayabusa too powerful, too heavy. 2. Kawasaki Ninja H2 insane acceleration with supercharger. 3. Yamaha R1 Racing DNA, very responsive. 4. Ducati Panigale V4 high performance, expensive maintenance. 5. BMW S1000RR advanced electronics, but hard for beginners. 6. Harley-Davidson Street Glide over 350 kilograms, difficult to control. 7. KTM 1290 Super Ducar high torque, sensitive throttle. 8. Honda Goldwing 2 big and heavy for beginners. 9. Suzuki GSX R1000 overwhelming performance. 10. Yamaha Mount 10 strong engine power, hard to handle. Ride safe.